Now you said they came from
Over the top or behind the greenhouse.
back in the corner there?
Yeah, see, I was working at a greenhouse and I kept hearing buzzing and I kept coming out looking at everybody.
Yeah, I thought I heard buzzing too, but
I get back in there, I thought, no, I hear buzzing. Where's that coming from? And then I looked over that way, and just as I was calling you, they were coming over the top of the greenhouse. Coming over this way.
well, one can only hope. But they're not very big. Are you guys headed into where I want you to head into? We get a giant fence and herd them into the log hive there. You know, looks like they're coming around. Looks like they're headed in the right direction.
They can't come back, like over there and go, huh.
Well, they didn't get to keep them, right?
Oh yeah.
They swarm like that, or they just go to work?
Well,
They got a high,
I think they swarm. I don't think they can keep them from swarming. Yeah.
closer and closer.
They're getting closer. Oh, this is big.
maybe it's the same swarm.
Sure.
You think that honey's in their way?
Honey,
Honeycomb?
well, we can go pop it out. I'll go pop it out. Okay, you're getting the honey removed. I love that honey. I don't know. I don't know if they're going here or not. Might be going here. There's still a few more up there. Well, there's some more bees up here. They're still going in, yeah. Yeah. They're going in too, that's the important thing. Look at that, huh? Look at that. We're happy about that, yes we are. Some going in up through the top there. There's just a little tiny slit in there. Yeah, they're going in AJ's mouth. I hope he doesn't have nightmares over that. Calliope, you're the third. You don't get that many, I'm sorry. Yeah, anyway. Well, my printing deadlines are gonna have to wait. This is awesome. Okay, they're cheating. They're going through this little crack up here, but that's okay. We're not going to fuss over that. And as they build the comb down, they'll block that up and forget about it. So this is Chloe. This is my granddaughter. She is 9 years old. Over here is her brother, AJ, Aiden Joseph. He's 6 years old. And down here is Calliope. She's about 2.5 years old. I left a little bit of honeycomb in her mouth because I know she likes sweets. Anyway, this is awesome. They came from over the back 40, and my wife heard it first. She alerted me, and I happened to be in the shop working for once. Well, I think this is a good-sized swarm, Sue. And you discovered it! Hooray, hooray! Yeah, it's not from our bees. I'd say this was a prime swarm because we saw a couple other swarms kind of come and go. They were little tiny grapefruit-sized ones.
Well, this is probably cranberry bugs.
Yeah, could be. But look at the bees on AJ. They had to come all across the forest land. Yeah. And we're not going to complain about the bees going in by the quilt box. Well, it's about 10 after 7 the evening. Everybody should be calmed down by now. But we've got this extra swarm over here on the side that's a little agitated, it looks like. It's been here for about a couple hours, I think. And I think it wanted to go in here, but there's another swarm that already went in about half an hour before. So I don't know what's going to happen here. They're clearly agitated. Overflow here. And let's see what's going on over here on this side. I think they're trying to get in. There's a bigger swarm on the inside. And the temperature has dropped down to about 70. But boy, listen to that. Listen to them. I wonder if they're, well, I don't know. It's kind of late to go swarming now. I don't know. Now I'm hoping tomorrow they can decide to go someplace. Like, I've got this worry hive here all set. It's empty. I tried to get a tiny swarm in it this morning, but they weren't interested. And then we've got a Langstroth over here. I've asked people to bring their hives over, especially if they're treatment free. They can put their hives over here and have them, you know, available for like bait hives. So here's a Langstroth. We thought we were going to get a bee swarm in there from this hive right here. See how quiet that one is? I mean, that's the way they are usually this time of the evening. They are quiet. This one threatened to swarm 3, 4, or 5 times. Each time they go back in, so I don't know what's up with that, but there's still some bees going in there. There, we got rid of it. Okay, this is the next day. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning here. Sun shining. And I think these guys that are coming out are, of course, the bees that swarmed in yesterday afternoon. I think they're sort of making their orientation flights. Oh, the cat got something. Hey, Carmen, what you got? You got a little shrew? Yeah, a little shrew. She likes to play with them. And of course you can't eat them because they're very poisonous.